Here is your spelling task for today. Your first activity you need to complete is to see how many words you can make using the letters in rainforest. So I'm going to be mean and say you can only use each letter once. You should have about a list of 10 words that you've created using these letters. So think really carefully, okay? Think about all the different possibilities and try your best to make up as many words as you can. I'm going to do an example now. So I can use the letter S, the letter T, A, I, N. And I know that I've made the word stain, okay? So that's one word that you can make. Think of all of the other words that you can make, and I'm expecting at least 10 from your spelling list, okay? Once you've done that, upload it to Seesaw so that I can see your learning for today. The next task that you need to do is our word of the day today is creatures, okay? So you need to choose at least one spelling strategy from the list below to learn how to spell the word creature. So choose maybe a different one, a new one that you haven't already used. Okay, so it could be letter sorting, could be a mnemonic, it could be air writing, it could be making a word search. Once you have chosen a spelling strategy, then use it on that word. Okay, investigate it, practice it, keep going over and over it so you're really, really secure on knowing how to spell that word. Then upload all of your learning to Seesaw so I can have a look. If you want to challenge yourself even further, then you could take today's word of the day, creature, and you could investigate it in real depth and detail and complete this sheet here for that word, okay? Good luck, have fun. Remember, be creative with your spelling strategies. Take your time, it's not a rush. I would like to see some of you being really creative, maybe come up with your own spelling strategies, okay? Thinking outside the box. You can take ownership of your spellings. Enjoy.